it, slightly enlarge it. Okay, now come full screen. High power. 144 advanced 720. On the blue, on the red, then black. Its voice clear? If clear, we start. It's the last question before cantilever. Further, some information I'll give you. In case voice clear, tell me. I'll start. Clear. Okay. Now see. Right. See, if you remember, moment area method unsymmetrical, we are just done for one point load. Multiple point load means, see, you get the diagram like this. Then, if you want maximum deflection, somewhere here it will come. Elastic curve, tangent, all, the small intercepts, all, it gives you more lengthy calculation. So, such questions you can solve very easily by conjugate beam method. Long back, if you remember, in Macaulay's method, same way I solved two questions. One question, there actually, no, here it's Macaulay's method, both are same because question of x only. Once you took x from here, once you took x from there. But now, see, question number one, question number two, both are same questions. There's a reason for it. How the BMD will vary based on that I made two cases. See, first, question one, write by words, and question two, both write by words. Both questions, simply supported beam of span 10 meter. For question one, write 60 kilonewton at 2.4. 2.4 because I want multiple of 3. If I take 3 meter here, all round number comes. I want decimal. Okay. 60 kilonewton at 2.4 from left end, 75 kilonewton at 3.6 from right end. That is first question. Second question, same thing. I will interchange the load. I will tell you, after I finish first question, I will start second question. Answer I don't require. Why? I will tell you second question. 75 kN at 3.6 from left, 60 kN at 2.4 from right. Okay. Therefore, advantage is what? Once I solve the first question, for second question, answer will come same. What you got at A will come at B. What you got at B will come at A. Answer at C will come at D. Answer at D will come at C. maximum deflection, how much x you got from this side, that will come from that side. So purpose is what? The BMD shape. See here, BMD goes this way. Second question, it will go this way. That is the purpose. When you consider split into parts or locating that x point for y maximum, there two questions are important. Now you can do one thing. Macaulay's method, what we solved, today only solved by conjugate beam method. Okay, start. I will start solution for first question. First, calculation of reactions. This I will not write on the board. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 10 plus 60 into 2.4, 75 into, from 10 subtract 3.6, that is 6.4 equal to 0. You get VB. VB will come plus 62.4. I already calculated. Sigma V0, VA will come plus 72.6. Okay, now go to next step. See, go to solution, continue. Continued where? Continued here. See, continued here. Okay, now, but after the first question is completely over, I won't waste time. Start second question. Take moment about A. VB will come plus 72.6. VA will come plus 62.4. Then continue. I will finish the first question, then go to second question. Not right now. Okay, start. First question. This is the real beam. Somewhat to scale 2.4, 3.6. From 10 you subtract, center will come 4 meter length. A, B, C, D. Okay, start. It's a real beam. Draw BMD for real beam. You are right here. Bending moment diagram for real beam. Okay, now, those who want, show the calculation. See, show the calculation here. I will show it here. See, show the calculation here, sagging positive. Okay. There is no place there. I will show calculation here. BM at A, you should write here. BM at A equal to 0. Look that side, equal to BM at B. Both the question same. Then BM at C equal to plus 72.6 into 2.4. It will come plus 174.24. Correct? I got doubt. Is it correct? Okay. Plus 174.24. Check body. Suppose wrong means after everything is over, we can't change it. 72.6 into 2.4. A calculator not on. 72.6 into 2.4. 174.24. Okay. Then kilometer meter. BM at D. Here, look this side. Plus 62.4 into 3.6. That will come plus 224.64 will come. Okay, now, just to save the time, when I start second question, I will put the beam same way here. I will put this load this side. Accordingly, I will put it here. Then BM here will be what? It will interchange. See, here BM will be VA into 3.6. There BM is VB into 2.4. This 224.64 will come this side. 174 will come this side. So, second question, BMD will come this way. Okay. That correctly you can do it. No, I already told now. When I start second question, BMD, can you happily draw it? Second question, BMD. Happily you can draw. I won't explain. Second question, BMD, no problem. Any problem? No comment. Okay, over. Now, this is the BMD. Now draw BM by EI diagram. Now, see, 0 here, 174.24 by EI, 224.64 by EI. See, this full is, see, here, 174.24 by EI. Here, 224.64 by EI. And then, this is later. Don't see here now. This is the, see, this is the BM by EI diagram. Okay, now, earlier all, I used to consider trapezium as trapezium only. But recently I found out, I used to tell in the class, don't be afraid of trapezium. But as I calculate and observe, majority of people, they find confusion that a plus 2b by a plus b all. Therefore, I decided, instead of telling that way, it is better to divide. So I sometimes will tell, dividing is only those who are afraid of trapezium. I am not afraid. But what happens is, idea will not come. That when you write this side plus twice of that side, they will start worrying what you are writing. So, okay, better. Divide into parts. Okay, parts. Now, plus means what? Downward. See now, this is one of the loads. Here, stagger it here. So you get one rectangle and triangle. Now see here, this is 174.24. This full is 224.64. Now here, full is 224.64. This is 174.24. So this extra will be 50.4 by EI. Clear? This extra will be 224.64 minus 174.24 will be 50.4 by EI. When you do second question, I'll tell you what happens. Second question, see, it will come this way, that extra will come this side. That's the important. Then your X will change. X calculation will change. BM by EI diagram clear? First of all, I don't have to ask. Is BM by EI diagram clear? One rectangle and triangle. No, BM by EI diagram. No comment. Yes, okay. Now, this is the conjugate beam. Now I cannot waste time telling every time what to do. Start. Calculation of reactions for conjugate beam. You cannot write total load by 2. Take moment about A. Don't see there. That I wrote to save the time. Only because today I want to finish this question completely. That's why I wrote everything. Otherwise, still see, I have not written any answer. Answer I will give as usual. My speed, I will give the answer. That you don't have to bother. See, start. Take moment about A. Minus VB dash into 10. Anti-clockwise. Because moment calculation. Plus, see, this triangle load. Half into 2.4 into 174.24 is the total load into 2/3 of 2.4. Okay. Then, this rectangle. 4 into 174.24 is the total load into 2.4 plus half of 4, center, plus this triangle, half into 4 into 50.4 into bracket, 2.4 plus CG is here, 2/3. Next question, it will become 1/3. Clear now? Next question, the triangle is coming this way. I won't explain. The triangle will come this way. Instead of 2/3, it will become 1/3. See, this 2/3, next question will become 1/3. Clear means tell me. I can save the time. I can give question and work out. Clear? See, because next time the triangle will come this way. So therefore, instead of 2/3, 1/3 will come. That's all. Okay, then anyway I'll tell. Lastly, half into 3.6 into full. 224.64 into moment about A, 2.4 plus 4, 6.4, 6.4 plus CG is here, plus 1/3 of 3.6 equal to 0, you get the value of VB dash. Then, sigma V0 upward positive, plus VA dash plus VB dash, minus half base height, minus base into height, minus half base height, minus half base height equal to 0, you get the value of VA dash. Calculate these two reaction, go back and enter the values here by EI, by EI. We don't know how much it comes. Enter the value. Remember, calculated value, not given. You go back and enter. Okay. Enter the value. So reactions will come. Now, I will remove this one. I want space. So now, I want reactions. So, reactions, you have to first give me. First, you have to give me reactions. Okay, 1 minute. You calculate and tell the reaction. By that time, I will solve the question. By that time, I will solve the question. Everybody, answer solve. I will write somewhere there, corner. So, you don't bother. Somewhere in the corner, I will keep on writing answers. How? See, for solving such question, if you got correct understanding, then No need of writing. This question can be solved without writing also. But how? See what I am doing now. Without writing you can calculate. Okay. VB dash 480.538. VA dash 330. I got doubt. ಲೋಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ 200 400 600 ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್. It is half into 2.4 into 174.24 plus 174.24 plus 224.64 divided by 2 into 4 plus half into 3.6 into 224.64. 1411 ಇದೆ. 1411 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 700 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 700 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೇಡ್ ಎ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಎಲ್ಲೋಯ್ತು? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಪೆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 minute now. You calculate. I will calculate it here. I will do something else. ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? 1 minute. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಮೂಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾರು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ. 480.538. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 1400 ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಚೆಕ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೈನ್. ಮೀನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. I don't require this one. $62.4, 72.6. ಏನು ನೋಡೋಕೋಬೇಡಿ ನೀವು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಇದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ 1400. ಓಕೆ. ಯು ನೆವರ್ ಬಾದರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ವೈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು. ಇದು 712 ಆದರೆ 712, ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ 72, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 12.6, ನೆಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 12.6, ನೆಟ್ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ 174.24. ಸಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಆದರೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬೇಡ. 2127 ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 62.4, 2.6386. ಇದು ಕೆಂಪು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗಳು ಈಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೆಂಪು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಈಗ ಬರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ರೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಈಗಲೇ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ದ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಬರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ to reaction 62.4. ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ -698.496 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 62.4 ಇಂಟು 3.6 square divided by 2. 294.144. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ 698.496 ಇಂಟು 3.6 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2.4 ಇಂಟು 3.6 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 6 2029 ಆಯಿತು. ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮುಗೀತು. ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ಫಾರ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ slopes at supports, I forgot to tell you, supports, comma, slope and deflection under loads, I forgot to tell you, under load points, and also y maximum. See, I have not told you what to do. See, for both the questions, question is find the slopes at supports, comma, slope and deflection at the load points, and then lastly maximum deflection. That is the question. If you are done correctly, your VB dash has to come plus 698.496. ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು, ಬೇರೆ ದಾರಿಯೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಬೈ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. 698.496 ಬರಬೇಕು. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೋ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಚೆಕ್ಡ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. 698.496 ಶುಡ್ ಕಮ್. ಹೌ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ, ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಒದ್ದಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 2.4 ಇಂಟು 174.24 ಇಂಟು 2/3 ಆಫ್ 2.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಇಂಟು 174.24 ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 2.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 4 ಇಂಟು 50.4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದೀನಾ? ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 2.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2/3 ಆಫ್ 4 ಇಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು. ಇದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 3.6 ಇಂಟು 224.64 ಇಂಟು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 4 2 6 6.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/3 ಆಫ್ 3.6 ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 10. 698.496 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. Actually, I will never do by this method. See, complete question I finished here. Full question I solved by my own methods, my own shortcut. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು. ನೋ, ಹೌ ಚಕ್ಕಡ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಮೇಡ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್, ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡನ್. ಇಂಪಾಸಿಬಲ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 698.496 ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೈ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ 698.496. ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಚಕ್ಕಡ್ ಅಗೈನ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 2.4 ಇಂಟು 174.24 ಇಂಟು 2/3 ಆಫ್ 2.4 4 ಇಂಟು 174.24 ಇಂಟು 2.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4/2 ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 4 ಇಂಟು 50.4 ಇಂಟು 2.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ 4 ಹಾಫ್ ಇಂಟು 3.6 ಇಂಟು 224.64 ಇಂಟು 6.4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1/3 ಆಫ್ 3.6 = 0. ಪುನಃ ಅದೇ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಾರಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, I used my own trick to get the answer first. I am not bothered about conjugate beam method. Some tricks are there. I require only the beam, nothing else. ನನಗೇನು ಬೇಡ, only the beam is sufficient for me. That's how I wrote all the answer here. It took how much? 2-3 minutes for all the answer. Theta A, theta B, theta C, YC, theta D, YD, where Y is maximum and how much is Y maximum. Then I am solving in the class by conjugate beam method. So I should continue by conjugate beam method only. I calculate the answer by conjugate beam only, because you are telling checked again. Again you are telling, not telling. See, one ನಿಮಿಷ. The total load itself is, ನೋಡಿ, till what is total load? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, half into 2.4 into 174.24 triangle plus 4 into 174.24 plus half into 4 into 50.4 plus one more half into 3.6 into 224.64. Total load is 1411.2. Total load 1411.2 by EI. When total load is 1411.2 EI, how you got the two reaction 400 500? How you got 400 500? 915. Adenge? How 915? Half into 2.4. This is actually, I am wondering what is happening. Half into 2.4 into 174.24 plus 4 into 174.24 plus half into 4 into 50.4 plus half into 3.6 into 224.64. Madi total load. See the total load. Madi no madi. Check madi paravailla. Calculate total load. I never leave chances. 915. Yeno advert marta idde ನೀವು. You are doing something wrong. Total load, how 915? ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇದೆ. Half into 2.4 into 174.24, 4 into 174.24, half into 4 into 50.4, half into 3.6 into 224.64. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಭಾಳ ಮುಗಿದ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. ದರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ನೋ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. Check once again total load. See, others are all now, nobody is contributing. Only one person comment. 1411.2. When total load is 1411.2, how you got the reaction 400 and 480? Remaining where it has gone? Remaining load where it has gone? Remaining load where it has gone? Elloitu. Kaha gaya remaining load? You made some mistake here. I don't know what is the mistake you made here. Some mistake you made. Actually, you need not write cut writing. Directly in calculator you can do, provided confidence is there. Illa nodi. Total, as per my calculation, you add the two reactions. Ettadu 698.496 and innondu ettadu 712.704. Add madi. Add these two values. Add these two values. How much you are getting? Add these two values. How much you are getting? Total load. Add money. Add these two. You know, some mistake you are making. But such mistake, it's a dangerous mistake because it is giving severe difference. Instead of 700, around 700, you are getting 400s. Add these two. ನೋಡಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೋಡ್ ವಿ ಬಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಗ 698.496. ನೌ ಕೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೋ, ನೌ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೇಮ್. ನೌ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? ಆಯ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ರೋಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೇಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಸಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ that answer I got not by conjugate beam method. Some method I am doing moment, I am transferring the moment and then integrating that moment. But integration means what? I know if into x comes x square by 2, into x square comes x cube by 6. I am using some mathematical principles. So I am even that distance where y is maximum, that also I applied a trick. For you have required a quadratic equation to solve. But anyway, I am doing something else. That all I cannot tell. Okay, now reactions are over. Okay, now go back and enter. It is VB dash 698.496 by EI. VA dash is 712. Entry ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 712.704 by EI. ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಬಾರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐ ಚೆಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್. ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್. ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು. ಟುಡೇ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಬೋತ್. ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್. ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡಾ? ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅನ್ವಾಂಟೆಡ್. Even this also unwanted. Why? Because I explained already. Okay, start. Now fresh. Start. Right, now start whatever they want, one by one. First they want calculation of slopes at supports. Slopes at supports. Start. That is what? Theta A and theta B. They want to calculate this one. I am using blue color because, okay, red, black only I use. Calculation of slope at supports. Start one by one. Correctly. Fast you have to do. First, theta A clockwise in real beam equal to shear force at A in conjugate beam. Left up, right down, positive. I should not write every class. Equal to slope here is shear force here. Come slightly inside. Look that side. Plus 712.704 by EI. Therefore, confirmation. What? Therefore, your theta A equal to 712.704 by EI radian clockwise. Okay, one answer came. Now, next. Theta B clockwise in real beam equal to shear force at B in conjugate beam. Left up, right down, positive. Equal to. Here shear slope here is shear force here. Come slightly inside. Look that side. Right up is negative. Minus 698.496 by EI. Okay, agoitu. Therefore, theta B equal to 698.496 by EI radian anti-clockwise. Now, make a note. Suppose in the question, maximum slope is required. Answer is, I am not writing. How many? I told 1,000 times. Maximum slope for simply support beam is either slope at A or slope at B, whichever is maximum. So your answer is maximum slope equal to 712.704. For this question, it will take place at A. Next question, it will take place at B. Oh, no. Next. Second part. Calculation of slope and deflection to save the time under load points, at load points. Slope and deflection at load points. You should write fair copy. That is at C and D. That is, they want to calculate what is theta C, comma, what is YC and what is theta D and what is YD. These are required. Start one by one. Theta C clockwise in real beam equal to shear force at C in conjugate beam. Left up, right down, positive. Start money. Slope here is shear force here. Look this side. Answer. Plus 712.704 by EI minus this much load. Half into 2.4 into 174.24 by EI is the shear force. Equal to, answer will 100% come. I wrote the answer plus 503 point. Okay, already I solved it. 503.616 by EI. Correct answer. It will come plus 503.616 by EI. Just tell me yes or no. Atte saku. Just tell me yes or no. Hadu hada yes. Hosa yes bandilla. You just tell me yes, it's coming. Yes, okay, done. Now, therefore, answer. Jaga illa. Equal to plus 503.616. 616 by EI. Therefore, presentation. What? Your theta C equal to 503.616 by EI radian clockwise is the answer. Then, sigma beda. Theta C aitu. Next, first consider the point C. Deflection at C downward in real beam equal to bending moment at C in conjugate beam sagging positive equal to deflection here is bending moment here. Look this side. Bending moment plus 712.704 by EI into 2.4 minus half into 2.4 into 174.24 by EI is the total load into moment about C, 1/3 of 2.4. Now I will not explain why 1/3, 2/3. If the moment about A, it is 2/3, moment about C is 1/3. If you calculate, this will come, illa the answer. 1543, that's why I already solved it earlier. 1543.2192 by EI positive. Therefore, deflection at C equal to 1543.2192 by EI meter down. That also over. Okay, now next. Now come to the point D. Theta D clockwise in real beam equal to shear force at D in conjugate beam. Left up, right down, positive. Be careful. Slope here is shear force here. If you look left side, you can see triangle, rectangle, triangle. Look right side, only triangle. So look right side. That you should write. But if you look right side, shear force, right up is negative. So what? It is minus 698.496. No into by EI plus this much load. Half into 3.6 into 224.64 by EI is the shear force. If you calculate, it will come 290 minus 2. I am not in a minus there because I know it will come anti-clockwise. 295.144 by EI. Therefore, presentation what? Slope at D equal to 295.144 by EI radian in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now, lastly, deflection at D downward in real beam equal to bending moment at D in conjugate beam. Sagging positive equal to deflection here is bending moment here. Look this side. Plus bending moment 698.496. Some people ask, sir, that is anti-clockwise, why positive? Don't come to my class. That's all. People who will suddenly question, sir, here you told clockwise positive, there you took anti-clockwise also positive. Why means, do not once again come to my class. Not fit for education, that's all. Because how many times I told bending moment and moment different, even I don't know. Some people who are attending the class every day, suppose non-technical person, he will tell me, sir, this you told, I don't know how many times you told. Still you are telling them. Are they students or engineering students or somebody else, they will tell. Okay. Plus, so sometimes I should be harsh. 698.496 by EI into 3.6, then minus half into 3.6 into 224.64 by EI is the total load into moment about D 1/3 of 3.6. 1/3 of 3.6. If you calculate, this will come plus 2029 point, sorry, can't I ಇದೆ 0.3632 by EI. Therefore, deflection at D equal to 2029.3632 by EI meter down. Now everything is over. Last pending is Y maximum. Clear? Clear or not? Last pending is maximum deflection. Correct? This is the important. See. Last pending is Y maximum. Clear? Okay. Now start. I will rub everything. Second question, I will start and take a break. When I come after the break, you should tell me the reaction solved. Okay. Okay. This all I will remove. I won't write this for second time. Second time you should calculate. Okay. Galabeda. Those who are serious, they will do it. Coming for the sake of time pass, they need not do anything. Okay. Now, lastly, the most important, see, calculation of red color, maximum deflection. That is y maximum. Okay, first what you have to do is put a sketch here. The beam is like this. 1 point load here, 1 point load here. Elastic curve will come this way. This all I told 1000 times, A and B. This is C and D. Tell me, where is the y maximum? Between A and C, or C and D, or D and B? Where is the y maximum? This I explain for both the questions. Where is y maximum? By observation. Where maximum deflection? Natural bending. Between C and D. So it will be somewhere here. This is y maximum. So let that point be x. X, correct? Now 1 minute now. X from where you take? Tell me. Okay, 1 minute now. X. And this is y at the point x equal to y maximum. Wherever y is maximum, the slope theta equal to 0, thousands of time told. Okay, now write. First, let y, first before that you write, see, by observation, y max will take place between the two central loads. I will tell you why I am telling this way. Two central loads. Okay, next. That is between C and D. Okay. Let y maximum be at a point x, comma, at small x from, tell me where? From left side you take, from where you take x from? Tell me. From where you take x? Think a little and tell me. Observe the conjugate beam. And tell me from where you will take x. That's the important. X from where? Not from B. If you take from B, you are in trouble. See here. If you take from B, you are in trouble. Why? When you look that side, reaction, triangle, rectangle, and trapezium. Clear? If you take from B, you are in trouble. You told from B. From B. If you take x from there, when you look that side, triangle, rectangle, and trapezium. So, do you want B? I can take B. Answer will come. So, where, tell me? From which side? No, you tell me, x should be from right side or left side. I want answer. From where I will tell you. Is that x should be taken for easy calculation. From left, don't tell A. From left side. 1 minute. But understand, you write a note. This all I am not telling. See, what I am telling here, I will write. This principle is explained in the class. You write all these things. Okay. Now, just answer me. Do you want x from right side or left side? That's all. I want right or left. There's a reason. Don't tell A and B. I will tell you why. Do you want from right side reference or left side reference? Don't tell A and B. You write that one. Do not tell A and B. Reference from left or right side? Left. Now, when you take left side, see now, all this you are right. If I take x from here, nothing to worry. Then, see, if I take x from here, then when I want this ordinate, you are right, something divided by 4 equal to that ordinate divided by x minus 2.4. Yes or no? When I write this ordinate here, 50.4 divided by 4 equal to this side divided by this distance. That is x minus 2.4. It will again give complications. Tell yes or no? Unnecessary x minus will come in the expression for intensity. When you do similar triangles there, the triangle which is cut by the section will have in terms of x minus 2.4 will come. Yes or no? Yes. Therefore, you take x from where, tell me? Don't take there. Take x from where? Take x from where? X from C. YC class. X from C. So that If then see 50.4 divided by 4 equal to something divided by x. Clear? X from C. Therefore, do one thing. Go back and mark. Go back and do all the marking. And when I go there, what all I tell, you should write here. Start. Write without disturbing the mind sketch. Do not disturb the mind figure. Somewhere here, y maximum. Point x. I will take x from here. Illinda x. Okay, now come down. At that point, I want bending moment ordinate. Tell the answer. Bending moment at x equal to, at the point x equal to, 72.6 into plus 72.6 into what? Into 2.4 plus x minus 60 into x or equal to 72.6 into 2.4 is exactly equal to plus 174.24 plus 72.6 minus 60 is plus 12.6 into x. Fully clear? 174.24 plus 12.6 into x. Tell me fully clear or not? You should tell me clear. Clear. Okay. Now go back and enter. Go back and enter. Where here? Light line. Enter here. 174.24 plus let me black clearly. 174.24 plus 12.6 into x. Okay. Then come down. That ordinate you require. If that is therefore, I will write here. Therefore, intensity of load for conjugate beam at the point x equal to how much? Whatever is the BM there, 174.24 plus 12.6 into x divided by EI. Okay. Now do one thing. Think a little. Now I am telling something. Write it. So this intensity is 174.24 plus 12.6x. Here, 174.24 by EI is already marked there. Tell me, therefore, tell what is the extra here. What is this extra? Tell me. See, this total is 174.24 plus 12.6x. Intensity, total intensity is what? 170.24 plus 12.6x by EI. 174.24 by EI is already there, rectangle. So tell me, what is that extra triangle ordinate? 12.6x. That's all. This is 12.6 into x. 12.6 into x by EI. Fully clear? Now this is the triangle, red color triangle. Fully clear? This is already known. Full clear or not? Is it fully clear? Second question, remember you have to solve. Once the first question is over, I will take a small break and come back and give the answer. Okay, now, one thing, instead of struggling this much, you don't, see, right here, actually, this intensity or this much struggling is not required. Use common sense. See, this is the ordinate. We want this extra ordinate. See there, 50.4 by 4 into x. Tell the answer. You can do similar triangles. 50.4 by 4 into x. Answer. 50.4 by 4 into x. Answer. How much? 50. You can apply similar triangles there. 50.4 by 4 into x. How much answer? Same or not? Same or not? 50.4, same answer. Now, if I am solving, see, now someone will start wondering how he got x value without writing anything. How possible? How possible means possible. What I do is, when I want bending moment here, I transfer everything here. The bending moment here is 174.24 clockwise couple will be there, and the shearing force of 12.6 is there. So rectangle constant BM of 174.24, and for the shear force of 12.6, bending moment is 12.6 into x. ಕೆಲವರು ಅಂತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಬೇಡ, ನೋ ನೈ ಚಾಹಿಯೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. That is called inner level. This, see, clear now what I have done? I will do one thing. I will remove this one. See, 72.6 minus 60 is 12.6 shear force here. And here, couple is 72.6 into 2.4. So, if I start from C, the BM will come 12.6 into X plus 172.2, 174.24. Clear? But remember, these are all, if you try, you should have proper control. Without control, if you try all this, it will give serious problem. Clear? These are all. Better not try till you reach anybody, not any particular person I am telling. There are so many are there. You try all these tricks till you reach that level. Till that time, don't try these things. Okay, now, this full I will remove. I want space now. See, full I will remove now. Okay. Start. Now we want to locate x. That is, we have to find the value of x. How? This we have to find the value of x by using the property that slope theta at x equal to 0. Right? Slope theta at x in clockwise in real beam equal to what? Shear force at x in conjugate beam. Left up, right down, positive. Slope here is shear force here. See, look this side. Plus 712.704 by EI positive minus full triangle minus half into 2.4 into 174.24 by EI is the triangle. Again minus this rectangle. How much? This rectangle, remember, that is x. Do one thing. Without disturbing, here also light line mark x here. Without disturbing. This is the point x. Minus x into what? 174.24 by EI rectangle, also minus half into x into 12.6x 6x divided by EI is the shear force equal to 0. Okay. This is shear force, but theta x equal to 0. So equate. You get 0 equal to, tell the answer first, 712.704 minus half into 2.4 into 174.24. Answer. 712.704 minus half into 2.4 into 174.24. Answer. Past, tell me that answer. I want that answer. I will tell you what trick I am applying also. I will tell you. I will never do this way. You have seen me. I got that x value without writing anything. Answer. 712.704 minus 5th equal to 503.616 by EI. Actually, that is the slope at C. Sorry, that is the slope at C. That's all. For me, when I want zero slope here, I will start from this slope. That slope is 503.606. Some will tell, these are all how you came to know. Don't worry. See, they are called what? Technical tricks. Then minus what? 174.24 times x minus 12.6 by 2 is 6.3 x square by EI. By EI equal to 0, or see, now this is 6 minus or plus, minus, okay. 6.3 x square, EI cancels. Take this side. You get 6.3x square plus 174.24x minus 503.616 equal to 0, you get the value of x. Tell the value of x in meter first. 6.3x square plus ಇದು 6.3x square plus 174.24x minus 503.616 equal to 0. Correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? 712.x. Everything is correct. Anything wrong? No, nothing wrong. Tell the value of x. Tell what is the value of x. ಬೇಗ 6.3x square plus 174.24x minus 503.616 equal to 0. Tell the value of x. 2.6386. My answer is there. My answer is waiting there. See, are you getting full number? 2.63862127. Are you getting this accuracy? Tell me. Are you getting same number? Full number? No, full number. Are you getting that number? No, just for confirmation. Are you getting same number? But of course, you can round up to 2.6386. Okay. No. But anyway, exam point of view, such big numbers are not there. You write not exam point of view, common sense also. 2.6386. So those who want, make a note here. Therefore, see, y max will take place at a point between C and D at 2.6386 meter from C, or at, what you tell me, or at, to that one you add 2.4. What is the answer? To that you add 2.4, it will come. Or you can tell at 5 point, how much? Add 2.4. Suppose that is the from C you got. Suppose reference from A required. Add it. 5 point. To that number, add 2.4. You get the distance location from A. 5.0386 meter. So slightly after center. 5.0386 meter from A. Anything will do. Okay. Lastly, now to get to y maximum, start. Y max equal to y at x. Start. Y at x downward in real beam equal to bending moment at x in conjugate beam. I am using red color. Equal to, start. Bending moment here. In terms of x you write. Plus 712.704 into what? 2.4 plus x. 2.4 plus x. Then minus, by EI is there, forgot. Okay, by EI. Minus half into 2.4 into 174.24 by EI is the triangle load into moment about x. Outside x plus another from, see here, this one plus 1/3 of 2.4, well, 1/3 of 2.4, again minus this rectangle. How much it is? X into what? X into E ordinate is 174.24. 174.24 by EI into what? Half of x. X by 2. Lastly minus moment of this triangle load. Half into x into 12.6 times x by EI is the total load into moment about this point, this load 1/3 of x. 1/3 of x. Calculate. Now substitute x equal to 2.6386 meter. Therefore, we get y at x downward equal to, now shall I wait for the answer or I already know the answer? Shall I write the answer instead of waiting for you to calculate? Shall I write the answer? Tell me. Shall I wait for you till you finish the answer or write the answer? What shall I do? Answer is there. I can see the answer. I already got it earlier only. What do you want? Do you want to wait till you finish calculation or you can check later? Why waste time? Because when this much answer is correct, that also will be correct. And I can make out. By looking at the sketch, I can make out. Okay. 3082. Next time you do it. Plus 3082.1794. Saku. 1794 by EI. Therefore, for this question, that itself is what? Equal by maximum. Maximum deflection for the beam equal to 3082.1794 by EI meter. You write at what distance? From C, it will take place at 2.6386 meter, or from left side 5.0386, or from right side 4 point something, it will take place. Fully clear? If fully clear, I will start second question and expect you to do the calculation. Very little time. This much I explained. Slight tilting is there. That's all. Why I am doing second question? Because, see, when you do 2-point load, you cannot tell. Sometime BMD will come this way. Sometime BMD will come this way. If it is symmetrical, BMD will come this way. This is already over. Symmetrical is already over. Then this much struggling is not there. Y max is center. See, sometime left side less BM, right side it will go this way. Sometime it can go this way. That's why two questions. Okay, start. Now, I will start second question. Okay, 1 minute. I will first make ready, then you start enjoying calculation. Okay, 1 minute. I will rub all this one. This full I will rub. Okay. Second question. Okay. So that we want to finish everything today. Answer I can't remove. Okay. Okay. Second question. Start. Reactions already calculated. I told you. Already I calculated reaction. Oh, now I forgot the reaction only. Okay. Reaction I forgot. Second question is second question. Question 2 continued. Continued. Simply supported beam. This is at 3.6. This is 2.4. Nodi. This is it was 75. Howdu. This is 75 kilonewton. This is 75 kilonewton. This is 60 kilonewton. This is the reaction. This is a reaction. A and B. This is real beam. Your now VB will come. It is reaction. Reaction. Ayyo. I had to calculate. I forgot the reaction. Anybody remember what VB came last time? What VB came last time? Anybody remember it? What VB came last time? That will be VA. What VA came last time will be VB. Tell what VA came last time. Tell me. Distances are. This is 3.6 meter. This will again become 4 meter. This is 2.4 meter. Okay. Reactions. 75 into 3.6 plus 60 into 7.6 divided by 10. Your calculator is not on. 75 into 3.6 plus 60 into 7.6. 72.6 is VB. 72.6 kilonewton. Your VA will be minus 75 minus 60. 72.6 minus 75 minus 60 is 62.4 is VA. Okay, leave it now. Draw BMD. You should do everything now. Draw BMD for real beam. Now it is your problem. Start. BM at A0, B0. This is C and D. BM at C will come like this. How much? 62.4 into 3.6. 224.64. And BM at D will come 72.6 into 2.4, 174.24. It will change. This will come here. It will come this way. This is 174.24. Okay, over. This is the BMD for real beam sagging positive. Draw BM by EI diagram. Draw BM by EI diagram. Okay, start. Ega, this will be triangle here. BM by EI. It will come this way. Here lesser. Then this way. Okay, now this is the downward load, this later. This ordinate is 174.24 by EI. This full ordinate, I will write here, jaga illa, I will project and write here. This full ordinate is 224.64 by EI. And now, what you do is slightly divide into parts. Now, this is one of the load, stagger it. So this small extra is same as last time. Estadu? Allello ide. Ellapadu 50 point ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತಲ್ಲ 224.64 minus 174.24. 50.4 by EI. 50.4 by EI. Okay, now this is the real beam. Now last time it came this way, now ulta. Okay, so what? This is the, now write conjugate beam. Okay. This is the conjugate beam. You write here, BM by EI diagram all. This is VB dash, this is VA dash. Distances are, this is out of scale 3.6 meter. This is out of scale 4 meter. This is out of scale here 2.4 meter. Now VB dash has to come 712.704 by EI and VA dash has to come 698.496 by EI. Okay, I will start now. See, fast I will tell. You should write after the class. Sigma m about A0 minus VB dash into 10 plus half into 3.6 into 224.64 into 2/3 of 2.4 plus 2/3 of 3.6 plus 4 into 174.24 into 3.6 plus half of 4 plus half into 4 into 50.4 into 3.6 plus 1/3 of 4. Then half in 2.4 into 174.24 into 7.6 plus 1/3 of 2.4 equals 0. You get VB dash, sigma B0, you get VA dash. You have to get this answer. Now, start. One by one start. Theta A required, theta B required, theta C required, YC required, theta D required, YD required. Start. Theta A in real beam is shear force here. Theta A will be 698.496 by E. I am not writing EI because space is not there clockwise. Theta B is 712.704 anti-clockwise. Theta C, whatever I got theta D last time, that is theta C. 295.144. Whatever deflection I got here is here now. 2029.3632. Whatever I got answer here will come there, theta D. 503.616. Clockwise. Idu anti-clockwise, down. Okay. Theta D is anti-clockwise. Deflection at D. 1543.2192 by EI down. Okay. Just high speed. Fast I will tell. Theta A equals shear force A equal plus 698.4 by EI. Plus theta B equals shear force D equal to plus minus 712.704 by EI. Theta C equal to this slope here equal to plus 698.496 minus half into 3.6 into 224.64 by EI. Deflection equal to bending moment equal to 698.496 into 3.6 minus half into 3.6 into 224.64 into 1/3 of 3.6. Theta D equal to slope here equal to minus 712.704 plus half into 2.4 into 174.24 by EI. Deflection equal to bending moment equal to 712.704 into 2.4 minus half into 2.4 into 174.25 into 1/3 of 2.4. That all you enjoy. Important is Y maximum. Start. Same way, this time tell me X should be from where, tell me. See, Somewhere here is y maximum. You should correctly solve. Somewhere here is y maximum. Let it be point x. Red ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ. Let it be at a point x. Where is the y maximum? Tell me. Now, somewhere here. Tell me. X from where you want now? We had y maximum. Tell me. X from where you want now? From C or D? X from D. That's the only change. X here. Now, here, this ordinate will come same as last time. 12.6x will come. 12. This will come same as last time. 12.6 into x. Now, can you solve the question and check the answer? Whatever x you got last time, now also x will come same as last time. 2.6386 meter. Y max also will come equal to 2 y max 3082.1794. I will briefly tell the answer. You should prepare the sketches. Can you do it? If you can do it, I won't waste time. If you can do it, I won't waste time. Those who are serious will do sufficient for me. Unwanted people coming for jolly purpose, attending once in a while, not serious, let them, whether they understand or not, is none of my concern. You can do it means fast I will tell you. Actually, I need not tell. But because x is from that side. Okay, start. To look, x is from C. You write x from here. Adu baribekalli. Now, this all calculation will change. X illide. Red illa aitu. Shear force at x, slope at x equal to shear force here. Look right side. Minus 712.2704 plus half into 2.4 into 174.24 by I plus x into 174.24 by I plus half into x into 12.6x by EI equal to 0, your x will come. Deflection here is bending moment here. Nodi, here. 712.704 into that x plus 2.4 minus half into 0.4 into x plus 1/3 of 2.4 x into 174.24 into x by 2 minus half into x into 12.6 x by EI into 1/3 of x. You get the answer. First of all, mirror image. If you go to back side of this board, this question is same as last time question. So nobody can tell. In the first time, he thoroughly explained. Second question, randomly solved. Yes, those who are sincere, they will solve. Now, you can complete this question. If you can complete this question, I will leave. That's all. You try right now if you want, you can try or try later. What you will do? You can do one thing. Reaction you can check. Shall I give time for checking or leave it? You can try later. Try later means I will close the class. 10 minutes extra rest I get. Shall I close the class? So that you can try later. That's okay. Correctly solve. Over. Next time I am going to cantilevers. Okay. Thank you.